Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. In this very quick video, we are looking into how you can check if somebody is a PMP certified professional or not. And not just PMP, but if anyone has any kind of certification from the PMI, which is the Project Management Institute. So you need to go to the PMI website for it, and there's a direct link that I am going to leave in the description of this video, so you can do that yourself. Go directly to that link and enter certain details and you'll be able to find that out. But before we go there, let me show you another slide on this presentation, which is if you are looking for PMP book recommendations, definitely go to the link on your screen right now, pmclounge.com/PMP preparation resources, with a dash between PMP and preparation and resources. And once you go to this link, you will be able to find out some of our suggested resources, some of our suggested books that you should buy if you want to get yourself the PMP certification. Now, without further ado, let's go to the pmi.org website. So this is the link. I'll paste this in the description as well. Now, all that you need to do on this link is enter certain details. You need to have the last name, which is mandatory. Country is not mandatory. Credential, if you want all the credentials, or if you just want to see if that person is a PMP, CAPM, or any other certification holder. So let me do a quick search on myself. So my last name is Qureshi. I'll leave the first name as it is so that others are also listed, and I'm from India, from Bangalore. So let's do a quick search on all the credentials, not just PMP. So here you can see it fetches 5 results, and all 5 are PMP, by the way. Here is my entry. I got my PMP in 2016, 21st June 2016, and my credential is still active. That means I am yet to report 60 PDUs for the first time, which will be done in after 3 years. So sometime in 2019 is when I need to report 60 PDUs. If I don't report 60 PDUs, my status will not be active anymore. As you can see, other folks are also active. You can see somebody has got their PMP in 2013. So this is how you can do a quick research and check if somebody is a PMP certified or not, right? So if you want, I can do a quick search on a common Indian surname here as well. All right, so let's see. So there you have all the people with their surname is Patel, and you can see somebody is PMP as well as PMI ACP, right? Somebody is PMI RMP, PMP, and PMI ACP. They have 3 certifications under them. Somebody is a CAPM, somebody is a PMP as well as PMI ACP, right? So this is how it basically is the entire list, right, of the folks that have a certain certification from PMI. So this is how you can do your own research. If you don't select any country, then of course you'll get people from all around the world with a certain, credential certification from the PMI. So now I didn't select a country here, and I selected all the certifications, and you can see so many people that share my surname are PMP, CAPM, RMP, and have all kinds of certifications here. So if you want to check whether or not somebody is a PMP certification holder or any other certification from PMI holder, basically, you can definitely do a search on this link. So that's pretty much it that I had in this video. It was a short one, just something that you can look into, just something that I think a lot of people find interesting. Hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Check us out on our social media. Our handle is PMC Lounge on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your #1 free resource for PMP. Thank you.